Hi everyone. So for this video, I am going to be going over angle addition postulate. What you will need for to follow along with this video is 3 different color markers, pencils, highlighters, just something for color coding, and then your pencil. All right. So this paper is what I passed out last class. It covers measuring how to measure angles on the other side. So what we covered the other day about measuring angles. That's what we're going to be using the other side of it. Okay, so angle addition postulate, what it says, if 2 angles share a side, then the large angle is the sum of the 2 smaller ones. What it is like is a segment addition postulate just for angles. So that segment addition postulate that you practiced in the last homework is similar to that for the angle addition postulate. So how do we use it? This is where you kind of get into actually understanding, because sometimes people are like, okay, you gave me all those words. Now, what does that actually mean? If you know the 2 small angles, then you can find the large angle. You can add an angle. If angle PQS is 30 degrees and angle SQR is or equal to 25 degrees, find the measure of angle PQR. All right. So what the angle addition postulate tells us is that if angle PQS shares a side with angle SQR, angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to angle PQR. Oops, I don't know why I drew C R. Okay, so let's see what that looks like with the colors now. I have PQS is 30 degrees. So P to Q to S, that's going to be 30 degrees. Angle SQR is 25 degrees. So I'm going to put S, Q to R. So S, Q, R. That's our 25 degrees. So then measure PQR is going to be, if you add those two together, so PQR is just adding the 30 and the 25 degrees. So the green represents the whole entire thing. So let's look at that back into our equation. We know PQS is 30 degrees. Angle SQR is 25 degrees. So that must mean that the angle PQR is 30 plus 25, which is 55 degrees. So that's how you use the angle addition postulate to find the bigger angle with smaller angles. You could also do it the other way. Say I gave you the big one and I gave you one of the small ones. Well, if I know that PQR is 55 degrees and PQS is 30, that must mean that SQR has to be 25 because 55 minus 30 is 25. So you can use that back and forth. Oh, let me put PQR with color coding because we love the color coding. All right, and then I'll color code over here too so you can see that. And if the color coding is too much for you, you don't have to do that. This is just for those who might need it. Now you can also use the big angle to solve for a smaller one. That's what I had just talked about. And we can use that using also algebra. So let's take a look and see what that means. Angle ABC is equal to 74 degrees. Okay, so angle A to B to D. That's 74 degrees. And I'll put that in yellow. Angle ABD is 43 degrees. So angle A, B, D. Oh, A, B. Oh, my B. Scratch that. We're going to change that up because I made him, oh, oopsies. All right, so let me grab a new paper so that way you don't get confused. It's nice that you can take a moment to catch up if you need it. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, let's fix my oopsies. All right, so for the second problem here, I have ABC is 74 degrees. Okay, so let's try that. A to B to C is 74 degrees. There we go. So that big one is 74 degrees. Next, I have ABD. Let's try that again. A to B to D. That's our 43 degrees. And then DBC, D to B to C. That amount there is going to be 14 degrees plus X. So if we're going to use that angle addition to postulate to help us, what we'll be saying is that angle ABD plus angle DBC is going to give us the whole thing. So angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABC. So then that would be 43 degrees plus 14 degrees plus X is equal to 74 degrees. If you need color coding, I'm going to do that now. The big angle, one of the small angles, the other small angle. And then from here, we can just use algebra to solve. So I'm going to first combine like terms. 43 plus 14 is 57 degrees plus X is equal to 47 degrees. Let's see. Yes? No. Oh my goodness, brain. That's why we have erasers. Skip this step. Okay. 43 plus 14 is, oh wait, no, I'm right. Wait. Where did 47? Oh my goodness, y'all. This should be 74. Y'all gotta catch me on this stuff. 74. 74. Switch that, please. 74. Okay, so now we can do 57 degrees plus X is equal to 74 degrees. Subtract 57 from both sides. So I'm left with X is equal to 17 degrees. So that would be our final answer. Yikes. That's why we have erasers. That's why we can always make mistakes. Okay, so now that we have that, this is how we solve for X using the angle addition postulate. The last thing I want to include is sometimes you'll see a problem that asks you to find angle DBC. So sometimes it'll ask for X, like here, but sometimes, or if asked to find angle DBC, you would do all these steps, but then include the step of angle DBC is equal to 14 plus X. So that would be 14 plus 17, which is equal to 31 degrees. Okay, so just note that sometimes it'll ask for X, sometimes it'll ask for the angle. You just want to be careful on which one's which, and that'll be in the homework. All right, hopefully this video helps. If you need to go back, rewatch it. If you need to ask for more help, feel free to message me or talk to Mr. Leckler while I'm out, and I will see you when I get back. Thanks all for watching.